Shidim Shari. Morning, Wednesday, July 17th, 2024. Uh, I think there's a couple of big earning announcement today. I know Netflix is tomorrow, so for sure I will be busy after hour trading tomorrow. But for now, I think today is Morgan Stanley and a few other. But let's jump right to it. Schwab. All right, I bought yesterday, and I saw a bunch of naked puts as well below. But let's talk about it. Let's take a look. Here is a 3-year chart. Okay, that's the reason why I bought yesterday and sell put spread at 67, 60 naked put. I sold naked put at 67 and 66 based on the support I see on the 3-year chart. Now, real quickly, what hurt Schwab the most yesterday and for the next couple of days? I should have used the 3-day pause rule, but I decided to go for it anyway because I like Schwab. I've been watching and looking to get back into Schwab for quite some time, and as in many stock pullback for those that were trading Wells Fargo, JP Morgan, I approached buying the dip on those stocks. Well, not JP Morgan, but Wells Fargo and Visa, the same. I approached buying those stocks the same way I did with Charles Schwab yesterday. But unfortunately, they bounced too much, too fast the first day, and then there was no chance to chase them up. Okay, so it's not that I was more aggressive with Charles Schwab compared to Visa and Wells Fargo. It's just that Wells Fargo and Visa dip and then bounce and didn't go deeper. So that was it. It's not that I like Charles Schwab so much more than Visa, so much more than Wells Fargo. Trust me, if Wells Fargo and Visa went down more, I could easily spend all my money buying those two stocks and not buy much of Schwab yesterday. Okay, so that was it. Now, why did Schwab crash last year along with all the regional banks, even though it's Charles Schwab? Well, guess what? They hold a lot of debt. They held a lot of debt. Treasuries. The same reason why New York Community Bank Corp and other regional banks are in trouble. The same reason, but it's Charles Schwab. So they weathered the storm much better. But still, that's the reason. But because of this right here, what did they do to make sure that they are safe? They pause stock buyback. Okay? And yesterday, they reiterate that they are still pausing stock buyback to shore up their balance sheet and to reduce debt. And oh my goodness, the market didn't like that. Duh. Oh my goodness. It's to me, it's just one of those things that if you follow the market enough, you're just like, have you looked at the TLT chart? Okay, it's just silly. Yes, the good news. Here's the good news. TLT is doing very well, much better than it was 3 months ago. All right, so if Charles Schwab are still focusing on not using cash to do stock buyback and reducing debt to show up the balance sheet, it's a good thing now. As TLT is in a better spot now, okay? They get better price for their treasury now. uh, the logic escape people. That's all I gotta say. All right. So for me, yes, I like Schwab here, and I would, if Schwab stay below 66 by Friday, then I would add 300 shares in a hurry. All right. So am I buying more for the rest of this? The answer is no. Would I buy in other people's account, in Anthony's account? The answer is yes. But for my own account, I am good. All right. But that's the story on Schwab. Before I go, let's go to the 1 year chart. And there you go. See 66 right here for the 1 year chart. You get the 200 MA. Basically, this is a zone. We are in that zone right here. I mean, it's a big fat zone, but let's draw it in. Okay, so that you see where my mental mindset is. Okay, there you go. Resistant, resistant, breakout, support, check back, whatever you're gonna call it, and then back. So yeah, if you didn't buy a lot or have not bought Charles Schwab, look to buy 66-ish. Okay, 200 MA. There's a good chance it will revisit that between now and Friday, and you get yourself a great deal. For me, if it go below that, even better. Then I can get myself even more. But I like it. Okay, I like it because if the if my projection of the economy and TLT is right, and TLT will keep heading higher and make life easier for Schwab to fix its balance sheet, it's a good thing. Okay, it's a good thing, and the stock will be fine going into the second half of the year because it can liquidate, unlever its balance sheet at a better price. Big dub for the rest of the market that think otherwise. EW, back into my grace. Okay, so yeah, would I buy? The answer is yes. I have ordered in yesterday just below the low. I mean, I was not quick enough or have ordered in there enough, but in many ways, I'm kind of glad I didn't because I think I can get a better price. Yesterday low was 87.1. Um, by the time I see it, I already miss it. Okay, but I put in order at 87 down to 85, right? And yeah, come down there and I will play. Okay, it's easy for now. On if there is weakness today, okay, if there is weakness into 87 and my 87 order trigger, I will look to sell 85 naked puts. Okay, or maybe even maybe even 84 naked put if there is juice. But yeah, that's the play. Okay, buy small for now. For sure, I would buy big at 85-ish, but I might sell at 84 put if there is juice on weakness below 87. ABT. Not right now. Okay, I talk about that every time it's near 100. Yeah, come down to 100. I don't mind. If 100 fail to hold, then we might look at 98. Okay, so if you want to play it safe, sell put, naked put 98-ish, right? I talked about this many times over the past 3 or 4 months. It's over as far as up here. Okay, but now with the looming class action lawsuit, all that stuff, you don't want to chase this thing, but it's worth a trade 100 and below as far as buy. And then of course trim 104 to 106, right? If you get lucky, you get up there, but this is not looking healthy. Last for today, Medtronic. Yeah, just like EW. Okay, if you want to buy Medtronic, have your order in, which I do, at 76. Okay, so yes, I have ordered in right at 76 for a week down. there is a gap fill. See it right here? The gap fill is 75.64. That's where my bigger order is. Okay, I got a tiny order here at 76 just to nibble in case it dipped down there, right? But the gap fill is the spot, and if you want to play it safe, no doubt, sell put spread, 75. But I do, for me, a naked put would be say 74 and below, right? I don't mind buying Medtronic way down there, but for now, it's a weak stock. Okay, it's a weak stock, and the the weaker it, the more it stay down here. Watch out for October soon, okay? Because look, it is this is this is um, right here is the start of the year, okay? And if it keep going lower or stay down here, there will be tax loss selling pressure starting in September. Okay, so if it can't get off its butt between now and September, then you get your chance. We will get our chance to buy it down here, just like it was back in last October. See, look, history rhymes. This time, repeat. All right, people. Good luck on earning trading today. Later.